winders. This is a Marathon 151 kilowatt generator stator. So as you can see, there's a big blowout in the slot. So I'm going to check that later on a coreloss tester. That's the nameplate. So before burning the stator, have to cut the crown non-connection side. So after burning, I'm taking the data and clean everything all up before stick to the coreloss tester. So here I'm testing the core. So I want to test it if it is good or bad. If it is bad, we'll advise the customer to buy a new one. That one will go to the trash. So I'm using a temperature gun here. So the highest I got was 190 above degrees C. So I have to fix that one before rewinding it. So that's the cause of the blowout. The copper melted and welded to the core, so the core is shorting. So that's the cause. It creates a heat. So you have to clean that one. So after cleaning, check it again. So yeah, I fixed that one. It's only one slot where the blowout is. So after fixing it, I put the insulation and everything, clean all up, and after that I'm start making coils on my winding machine. So yeah, so stick around, winders, and watch. I'm going to rewind 151 kilowatt generator stator. It's Marathon. Okay, thank you. I can do that. It's all good to go. It's all good to go. I can weld that first before I go. Still, the winding's still hard, eh? Don't burn it. That